Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and on this video I'm going to share with you guys our upgrades of our Mitsubishi Strada 2020. We were able to upgrade our halogen bulbs. We were able to upgrade it to LED. So on this video guys, I'm going to show you how to install it and what are the different type of bulbs that we are going to replace, and what are the types of fittings and connectors. So once again, I would like to welcome you all, and my name is Charlie J, and of course you're watching Cj-iTV. Alright, so first and foremost, of course, we're going to determine what are the type of LED bulbs that we're going to install. You have to be familiarized on it. So this is the daytime running lights. We have the fog lamps, low beams, and you have the high beams. So this is now the low beam LED headlights. The brand name is Northside, and that's the specification. By the way guys, the fittings and connections or connector types of this bulb is H11. So this is the type of bulbs that I have chosen. Of course, we're going to order this to Lazada. So that's the low beam LED lights with H11. Alright, and the next one, we have the same brand. Also, it's an outside LED, and the type of connections for this high beam is 9005 or HB3. So we're going to open it so that we will be able to see what is the kind of LED. So you have here the manual of the LED bulb for our headlights, high beam. So it's very nice and very good. So the connection guys, once again, it's 9005 or HB3, and you can order this also on Shopee or Lazada. So that's it for the high beams and low beams headlight. The next one is, so this is the H8 for the fog lamps. So I don't have the brand name of this H8, but the quality also of this LED bulb is good and beautiful. So the type of fitting for this fog lamp guys is H8. So it has a high intensity LED bulb, and it's very important, especially during rainy days, and if there will be, of course, from the word itself, it's fog lamps, so it will help us for proper illumination and for our safety also. So there you are. It's and this one is T10. So this is being used for parking light, and I don't have the brand name also for this one, but as long as it is T10, then I think the quality also is good guys. And this is PW13. This is for the DRL, or what we call as daytime running lights. So the quality also is good, and it's not expensive. And this one is T15. So that is for reverse light. So there you are guys. So all the bulbs and the brand name. For as a summary, for the low beam, it's an outside. The connector is H11, HB3 for the high beam, and H8 for halogen, and also for the DRL, or what we call as daytime running lights, it's PW30. So as you can see here, that's the high beams housing assembly of the LED high beam headlights, and the other one is that is for the low beams. So in order for us to open that, we're just going to rotate it counterclockwise, and to tighten it, we're going to rotate it clockwise. So this is on the left side. So that's the housing that we're going to open. So in order for us to easily remove the housing assembly, is we're going to remove the fuse box, and we are going to remove also the battery on the left side. And for the right side, so you can see there also the location of the headlights assembly. So we're going to open, if you're going to open that, then we're going to remove the air filter element, but no need for us to open the coolant. So we need these tools, guys, for us to be able to remove this air filter element cover. So you need those tools like Phillips screw and wrench. Alright, so now we're going to open, we're going to remove the air filter element. So it's up to you guys if you're going to start it with on the left side or the right side. So for me, I started to open on the right side, so I removed the air filter element, and we're going to remove the air filter element cover.